Through AIW, I see a lot of ways it's improved student performance. Students are more engaged in work that has value beyond just the simple tasks. They participate more in discussions. As a teacher, I'm more thoughtful of using questions that require higher order thinking. Something as simple as tweaking a question to encourage deeper thought can make a big difference. Initially, when we started meeting, I felt like I needed to bring a great lesson to share, something that would score high. Now I realize it's better to bring something that I plan to do that I'm not really thrilled with. The opportunity to get multiple perspectives on how I can make it better really benefits everyone. Being able to improve it before I use it in the classroom is a huge benefit. If we had to stop our work with AIW for some reason, I'd really miss the dialogue that we have every time we meet. I'd miss the gift of being able to take a task or instruction and make it more authentic and encourage deeper thinking. The AIW framework carries over to all of our opportunities to collaborate, not just the AIW team, so it's very integrated in all of our planning.